Good morning, students. In the previous videos, we have started the chapter The Earth and the Changes on It. And till now, we have studied about the agents of gradation. We have studied that what are the various agents that bring change to the Earth. External agents, we have studied. Internal agents, we have studied. And in the previous video, we have studied about soil also and how the soil is formed. And we have discussed about this picture also. And today in this video we will discuss about distribution of major soil types. We do not have one kind of soil, we have various types of soils. So about those types of soil we will study in this video. Soil is generally classified on the basis of color and texture. There are certain bases on which we classify soil. So soil is classified on the basis of its color: dark color, light color, brown color, red color, right? And its texture: the particles are fine, particles are coarse, clay soil, loamy soil. So on these bases we identify the major types of soil. Soil is generally classified on the basis of color and texture. We know that, we have discussed this. Now, number one soil we will discuss, that is alluvial soil. That is alluvial soil. You can see in the picture this light green color. It is denoting alluvial soil, and you can see that in the northern part of the India and a little bit central India and this eastern coastal plains, they also have alluvial soil, and in the northeast also we have alluvial soil, and in the western part also we have alluvial soil. So reading of your map is very important. It is found over a large part of India. You can see in the picture, over a large part of India, light green color is denoting alluvial soil. It is mainly formed by deposition of sediments by river and is confined to northern and coastal plains. So how it is found? Mainly जो रिवर्स हैं अपने साथ बहुत सारा मटेरियल बहा कर लेकर आती है, मिट्टी होती है उसमें, फाइन पार्टिकल्स हैं, क्ले है, सैंड है, तो उन सबसे मिलके क्या बनती है? अलूवियल सॉयल. वो रिवर्स क्या करते हैं? उसको डिपॉजिट करती जाती हैं. डिपॉजिट मीन्स कहीं पे भी उसको छोड़ती जाती हैं. सो this type of soil is very fertile and forms major cultural land of our country. So alluvial soil is a very fertile soil. Wherever this soil is found, वहाँ पे क्या है? एग्रीकल्चर बहुत ज़्यादा रिच है. ठीक है, आपको पता है नॉर्थ इंडिया में उत्तर प्रदेश, हरियाणा, पंजाब, यहाँ एग्रीकल्चर कितना ज़्यादा रिच है. इन बिहार ऑल्सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉइल इज़ देयर. नाउ वी हैव ब्लैक सॉइल. Black soil, it is found in Deccan Plateau. So in this map symbols में देखो light grey color, it is denoting black soil, and where it is found you can see Deccan Plateau में, पूरे plateau area में, and some patches are also there where it is found, and here also in some parts of Gujarat. It is found in Deccan Plateau. This type of soil is confined to some parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka. You can see here also some parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra, you can see Maharashtra and Karnataka also. This soil has an ability to retain moisture and becomes sticky when wet. This soil, it retains moisture, means अगर moisture है, water है, तो वो अपने आप में absorb कर लेती है and it becomes sticky, clay बन जाती है. It is largely used for growing cotton and thus is popularly known as cotton soil. So mainly क्या use है black soil का? To grow cotton in that. That's why it is also known as cotton soil. Now we have red soil. You can see here red and yellow, right? Red and yellow soil, here it is given in the map. Red soil, as the name suggests, the soil is red in color due to the presence of iron. So the color of this soil, according to its name, it is red, and that is because of the iron content that is present in this soil. Red soil is confined to peninsular India and some patches of northeastern part of India. It is highly porous, fine grained and deep. So you can see here that it is found in northeastern part of India as well. Here it is, and here in this part of India, in these states, it is फाउंड एंड हाईली पोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं इसमें, और बहुत अच्छी नाइस सॉइल. Laterite soil. It is found over the hill slopes of peninsular plateau. So here we will see that laterite soil. You can see the color of this laterite soil. Light pink color is denoting this soil. You can see here also it is found, and here also it is found, here also, and here in the western coastal plain we have laterite soil. The laterite soil is found in the regions of heavy rainfall. It is formed by leaching process. जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा heavy rainfall होगा, ठीक है, अब देखो कोस्टल एरियाज में भी होता है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया में भी होता है. इट इज़ फाउंड बाय द लीचिंग प्रोसेस. यू शुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, यू डोंट हैव एनी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द लीचिंग प्रोसेस. जस्ट रिमेंबर कि लीचिंग प्रोसेस. Apart from these four types, there are desert and mountain soils also. These four types are the main: alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, and laterite soil. Other than these four types, we have desert soil and mountain soil also. They are found in their respective regions. Obviously, desert soil deserts में होगी, mountain soil mountains में होगी. Removal of the top layer of soil is called soil erosion. वट इज़ सॉइल इरोजन? जब टॉप लेयर है सॉइल की, वो बिकॉज ऑफ विंड, बिकॉज ऑफ रनिंग वाटर, बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लेशियर या ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ के कारण क्या होगी, वॉश ऑफ हो जाएगी. दैट इज़ नोन एज सॉइल इरोजन. वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट सॉइल इरोजन इज़ अ सीरियस प्रॉब्लम अफेक्टिंग लैंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. सो सॉइल इरोजन इज़ अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आवर कल्टिवेशन इफेक्ट्स. In certain areas, the soil erosion has become a menace which causes decline in the crop yield. कई एरियाज़ में तो क्या है, सॉइल इरोजन बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, जिसके कारण क्या है, कल्टीवेशन कम हो रही है, क्रॉप्स कम हो रही हैं. दिस इज़ हैपनिंग ड्यू टू रॉन्ग ह्यूमन प्रैक्टिसेस लाइक कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज, ओवरग्रेजिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स, एंड दीज आर द रीजन्स. ओवरग्रेजिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स, ट्रीज कट कर रहे हैं तो सॉइल की पकड़ नहीं रहती. Besides many other reasons, soil erosion need to be checked through appropriate measures of soil conservation. Soil erosion must be stopped, and certain measures must be taken to stop soil erosion. So क्या measures हैं? Plantation of trees, more and more plantation, afforestation, selective agricultural practice, crops को rotate करके लगाना, मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग मेथड, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. यू विल स्टडी देम इन योर हायर क्लासेज ऑल्सो. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस चैप्टर अप टू हियर, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर, अर्थ एंड द चेंजेस ऑन इट. सो हाउ द चेंजेस अकर ऑन अर्थ? बिकॉज ऑफ टू प्रोसेसेस, इंटरनल प्रोसेस, एक्सटर्नल प्रोसेस. इंटरनल मीन्स वोल्केनोज हैं, ठीक है, वोल्केनोज आ गए, उसके बाद वोल्केनोज हो गए, अर्थक्वेक है, फाइन. सो दीज आर दी इंटरनल. एंड एक्सटर्नल प्रोसेस क्या है? ग्रेडेशन के एजेंट्स हैं, विंड है, रनिंग वाटर है, ग्लेशियर है, सी वेव्स हैं. वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट देम. एंड देन वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट सॉयल. वट इज़ सॉयल? हाउ द सॉयल इज़ फॉर्म्ड. एंड वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ सॉयल. We have studied about soil erosion and soil conservation also. So this is all about your chapter, and these are the keywords. ये आपको अच्छे से learn करने हैं. You can see the meaning of leaching over here also. You can read it. So students, it is very important to learn these keywords. Exam में भी आ सकते हैं ये. So other things we will study in the next video. Thank you students. Have a nice day.